whereas Skell demonstrates patterns of normal usage through a huge sample of English drawn from the web. Versatext offers tools for exploring the language of a single text. The text may be one of the preloaded texts that the program provides. Or it may be a text that the teacher or students upload themselves. The latter is preferable. In addition, all of the sentences in Skell are unfamiliar to the students. Whereas in Versatext, the students might already be familiar with the text or the topic of the text. Versatext might be used to introduce a text that the students will be studying. This is the interface of Versatext. You may input texts under the Input tab, or click on a preloaded text title, such as Study Buddy. Check the customized word cloud of the input text under the Word Cloud tab. Check certain word in concordance lines under the Concordance tab. Check lexical statistics and categorized word lists under the Profiler tab. And get overview of the program and links to additional resources under the Info tab. Versatext's three tools are the Word Cloud, a concordancer, and the Text Profiler. Firstly, Word Cloud. You can paste your own text, or click on a preloaded text title, such as Study Buddy. Click on the Word Cloud button, and you will see a word cloud of the text. You can control the words to show, to get a word cloud of 50 words, 20 words, or 30 words based on your needs. The important feature of a word cloud is that the more frequent a word is in the text, the bigger it appears in the word cloud. This gives you a good idea of what the text is about. While the colors of words in most word clouds are for decorative purposes only, in Versatext, they indicate parts of speech. Because the texts are lemmatized and tagged for part of speech, it is possible to customize the word cloud, that is, the user can determine what it contains. Every combination of the buttons produces a different word cloud. Each version of a word cloud shows something different about the text, and therefore invites different questions. You can get a noun cloud, a verb cloud, an adjective cloud, or an adverb cloud based on your needs. For example, you may show students a noun cloud of a reading passage, and let them predict the main idea of the text before reading. Secondly, concordance. The second tool in Versatext is concordance. You can click on any word in a word cloud to see the KWIC, keyword in context, in the concordance lines. The contexts allow us to observe the paradigmatic features of the keyword. This is a function available in many other corpus tools. The concordance lines can be sorted in alphabetical order by the words on the left or right by clicking left context or right context. The sorting often reveals patterns in the word's usage. By default, the concordance function of Versatext shows the sentences according to text order. You can also click on the Sentence button to show the concordance lines in full sentences for easier viewing, and click Sort Sentences by Length to show the sentences from short to long. If you turn on Colorize, the words will be in different colors, which indicate different part of speech. This may help you observe the parts of speech that frequently co-occurred with the target word. Thirdly, Profiler. The Profiler shows lexical statistics about the text. You can click on the Profiler button to obtain data in this format. The top 1,000 words are the most frequent 1,000 words in English generally. This table says that 72.56% of all the words in the Study Buddy text are among the most frequently used 1,000 words of English, and that only 5.57% are in the second 1,000, 1,000 to 2,000. The academic word list, ALL, is a widely used, published list of words that are not in the top 2,000, but are commonly found in many kinds of academic texts. The ALL does not include terminology. Less than 1% of the words in the Study Buddy text are all words. In an academic text, 15% is standard. Text-specific words are the words in the text that are not in the other three groups. You can also get the readability statistics here to check whether the text is suitable for the level of your students. The automated readability index of the Study Buddy text is 12.84. By clicking on the question mark at the right of Automated Readability Index, you will be directed to the Wikipedia of the term. It shows here that this article is suitable for 11 to 12 grade students. The pie chart shows the relative frequencies of parts of speech in the text, which can more or less tell us about the genre of the text. Under the table and the pie chart, the 4 tables contain all of the words grouped according to their bands and their parts of speech. The 2 buttons, Show Lemmas and Show Analysis, under the 4 tables show lists. By clicking Show Lemmas, it will show a list of all the words in the text in their base forms or dictionary forms. These are lemmas. You can click the column headings to sort the list. For example, you can sort the lemmas by frequency. By clicking Show Analysis, it will show all the words in the text in the order of the text. You can read the text vertically. The columns show how Versatext has analyzed the text to provide the colors, tables and charts. You may also click Get Data as Text to download the data in text file.